What's up, traders? I have a very quick update on gas, gold, and crude oil today. So let's start our analysis with natural gas. So before I start my video, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so because I upload analysis like this every single day. And please don't forget to hit the like button for me as it helps me in the YouTube algorithm. So right here, if you see, the market is now pushing up and now above this level of resistance. So this is the situation I will look for buying trades. So once we have a break and close, if we have both right here, then in that case, I will look for a Fibonacci retracement. I will open that, and as you see, as you know, I use my buffer zone, something like this. So this is my buffer zone in this case, and it goes from 7.167 goes down to 7.099. So in this case, now if we have a close above, that's my pullback in the buffer zone, and you can either go aggressively and take long till 7.469, or you can go in a less aggressive way with retest and look for an engulfing pattern or a pin bar to take long. So that's totally up to you. So if we have this situation, close and break and close here, then I will apply my Fibonacci tool here to take long trades only. Here on currency.com, we got a similar type of situation. We are in the zone, and now if you use my Fibonacci tool right here, and I'll mark my buffer zone right here, something like this, and we can expect a pullback to this buffer zone, which is 7.324, goes down to 7.209. We can expect a pullback, and we can expect a long entry to 7.714. And also, you know that we are all this war situation, and yesterday we have a news that Russia is to cut gas for Bulgaria and Poland, and because of that we can expect the gas to go expensive, and the other countries as well, and they're also demanding to trade in rubles. So looking at the fundamentals and technicals, we can expect a push up from natural gas, and we are above 50 and 20 EMA. So I will look for a retest and to take my long trades from this zone. As you can see, we do not have any sort of double top pattern as well that has been broken, and if you see, the market has already made a new high, broke above the previous high. So looking at these points, we can expect a push up from gas. So let's check gold. So right here, gold, as per my previous video, we have two candle closed below now, and now I will only look for sell trades. I will not look for any buying trades as we are below 50 and 20 EMA. We can get a retest as well, and market can still fall to 1875, from where I will look for a nice engulfing pattern, or I will look for a double bottom trade from this zone back up to our next zone. So this is our buying area right here, and I will only go look for sell with a pullback. Check crude oil. Crude oil is still in a ranging mode. It's nothing much I can see here as well. I will only go for short trades if we have a good two candle closed and then we have a pullback, and I will look for a short opportunity at this point. But right here we can still break and close above 50 EMA or below 50 EMA. So it still depends, still ranging at this point. Nothing much to do with crude oil, so I'll stay away from crude oil at this point. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions or confusions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.